Hello friends, thank you for watching all my previous video. Today we will show the unboxing of Paiter nose hair trimmer ES808. Today we will see all the specification and what they provide in the box and how to use and how useful this product is. In this box, let's go and open this box and see what they provide in the box. Oh wow, this is the small item, which they have wrapped in the plastic. It's so tiny and so beautiful in the shape and in the look, and it's light in weight. And this is the unit, and they provide a brush to clean the unwanted dust and hair which are stuck to the blade, and they provide a manual. As you can see, they have given the model and all the specification to use, how to use, and how to put battery and all. Let's keep this aside and you can learn everything from this. You can see the package thickness is 17.6 centimeter. The weight of the package is 100 gram, and the source which is used in this, it's not rechargeable, it's a battery. On the back side, just turn around and you can open the back side easily, and you can see there is a battery here. This is the dry cell which we have to use. It's not rechargeable, it's 1.5 volt. Again, you have to put the battery inside. Yes, you have to turn up and right, and it's locked now. And you can see this is the front cover, and this is the nose trimmer blade. Let's see, we will start and show you. This is the on off button. This is the simple unit. You can see it start now. And it's not that much vibratable, it's not that much vibrating, it's okay. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.